Hello guys, I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about align command in Autocad 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, in this tool, we align objects with other objects in 2D and 3D both direction. You can find this tool from the Home tab and into the Modify panel flyout. And here is your align tool. Before we start the example, please note that point. Either 1, 2 or 3 pairs of source points can be specified to move or tilt the selected object. Now we see the example. We have this house plan and we make it anywhere in the drawing of Autocad 2021. Now if we want to orientate this house plan according to the Google map, then I use the align tool, and for that I assume this is my original orientation of house plan according to Google map. So to align this house to this original orientation according to Google map, we use the align tool. Select the align tool. Now select the object and press enter. Now in the command line it prompts you first source point. So this is my first source point and this is my first destination point. Now this is my second source point and this is my second destination point, and this is my third source point and this is my third destination point. So in this way I align my house to the original orientation according to the Google map. So in this way we can align our objects after the making. Now we see the another example, and here in this example, if we want to align this object or this geometry to this geometry, then select your align tool, select the geometry and press enter. Now select the first source point. This is my first source point and this is my first destination point. This is my second source point and this is my second destination point, and this is my third source point and this is my third destination point. So in this way I can align this geometry to this geometry, and here we see this example again. Now select the align tool again, select the object and press enter. Now I give the first source point to this point and this is my first destination point. This is my second source point and this is my second destination point, and this is my third destination point and this. So in this way we can align our objects with the align tool. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.